Yeah, like that. Mga katrops, tuloy-tuloy lang tayo dito sa ating Yellowstone experience. Alright, Kathleen? Yes?
Yeah.
Dito tayo ngayon sa Mammoth Hot Spring.
Wow.
Drops, right, Kathleen? Wanna go down? Ganun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Itong Mammoth Hot Spring, ito yung isa ko mataas dito sa Yellowstone, mga 6,000 elevation. Alright, so come on, check it out kung anong meron dito sa Mammoth Hot Spring. Stay tuned. Kathleen! Baby! Summer na talaga sa Yellowstone National Park, mga katrops. At saka may pupuntahan namin dito eh. Ano kasing magandang spot dito, mga katrops. Hey, don't go there, time. That's dangerous. Oh, let's go straight. See? Ayan yung yeah. Ayan yung paligid, mga katrops, oh. Oh. Masyadong mataas ito. 6,200 plus na itong elevation eh. Done. After this time, we're gonna go to the ice cream shop, okay?
Yummy.
Right, time? May mga limestone dito, mga katrops eh. Famous na limestone. Ito, ang dami yan, ang daming tao na. Come on. Stay on the path. Walk it, okay? Because it's dangerous. You're gonna get burned. See that one? You're gonna get burned there, Marley. Stay here, this side. Alright, Kate? No, this way. Down, this way. Oh. See that? You see the smell? You smell it? That's a sulfur. See? Look at that. That time. There's too much acid. That's what the color is changing. Time. See? Wow.
No, I don't smell it. Me too. I smell
Huh?
a little bit. Okay, smell a little bit.
Come on. You smell a little bit.
Me too.
You know what, boys? You can cook eggs over there. Right there. You can boil eggs. Yeah, you can boil anything. But don't touch it. It's hot. That's super hot. La 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 la. Chicken. See that? See? Look. Amazing. O, tingnan natin ito ng auto. So, gano'ng kalupit yung acid na dito. Let's go check it out. Wow. Look, can you read this one time? The Devil's Stone. Yeah. Oh, the Devil's Stone pala ang tawag dito mo. Okay? This is what you said. The Devil's Tomb. Time.
Is this where it stops?
Yeah, see? Look at that. That's what the Devil's Tomb. Time. Different description to it. Okay? Yun. Look at that. Amazing. Wow, look at that. Yeah. So nice. Don't touch it. It's so dangerous. Okay? It's gonna burn you. Let's have a line, okay? Yung mga katrops, so ilang sulyap na to bago kami lumabas na ng north entrance. Alright. Yan yung town. Yeah, let's go! Yan mga katrops, nandito tayo ngayon sa town ng Mammoth. Oh. Yan. Taka meron silang famous ice cream dito mga katrops. Excited ha, Ked? Yeah, I know. Yeah, this is the famous ice cream. Terrace Grill Fast Food Ice Cream. Alright, time. This way. Go, come on. Ice cream muna kami dito kasi mainit eh. Yung Terrace Grills, mga katrops. Let's go inside. Go. There we go. Thank you. Oh. Oh my God, so many people. Eh. Oh, daming tao mga katrops. Mga katrops, ito yung Yellowstone General Store mga katrops. Yan. Mga katrops, meron dito. Ano meron dito sa Yellowstone General Store. Baka siyang mga gift store mga katrops. Ano. Yan. Yung mga sticker dyan. Bilya din ng ice cream. Ang daming tao. Ayun. May mga souvenir yan dyan mga katrops. So yan, mga Yellowstone stuff. Right? Ang dami. Wow. Mammoth Hot Springs. So mga damit-damit Alright. Yan yung general store ng Yellowstone mga trops. Yellowstone General Store. Alright. Kaya punta natin itong mga katropa natin dito kumakain ng ice cream na eh. Let's go. Mainit. Oh. Here we go. How's your ice cream? Good? There you go. Okay na. Here's for you.
Pwede na siya screen.
I don't know where's the sunscreen. Yeah. Ano naman gano'ng kalupit yung Mammoth Hot Spring mga katrops. Yan. Ang daming tao ngayon kasi holiday ko yung nakakaraw eh. Tingnan mo kalupit yan What?
The birthday boy.
Yeah, the birthday boy is over here. Hey, baby boy! Alright. Katrops, papalamig lang muna kami at lalarga na rin kami. May ikot-ikot dito konti sa Mammoth Hot Spring at papanik na ng Helena. Alright, dyan lang kayo at kakain mo lang kami ng ice cream. Right, guys? Tingnan mo ito mga katrops, kung gaano grabe yung tao ngayon. Ang lupit. Parang ring Banff to sa Canada, yung Banff National Park. Pero naman ito man ay Yellowstone National Park. Yan. At yun yung famous na Mammoth Hot Spring mga katrops. Mammoth Hot Spring. Alright. Yan. Dito sa Mammoth Hot Spring mga katrops, mag-ingat kayo kasi maraming mga wildlife daw dito eh. Pero unfortunately, hindi naman kami naka-encounter ng mga wildlife. Tingnan mo ito Ito yung mga paalala nila dito. Danger wildlife, do not approach. Yan yung mga pupunta daw dito. Kaya mag-ingat-ingat tayo dito sa Mammoth Hot Spring. Ito yung hotel tingnan mo hanggang gano'ng kagagaling yan Mammoth Hot Spring Hotel. Yan. Pag dito ka ng check-in, ito yung makikita nyo paglabas yung mga katrops. Yun. Diba? Ang galing. Dito lang sa Yellowstone National Park. Alright. So yung mga katrops, hanggang dito na siguro yung mountain vlog natin sa Mammoth Hot Spring. Magpapagas na ako kasi papanik na kami 5,000 papuntang North Entrance. Alright. So hanggang dito na lang. At huwag kang matakot at huwag kang malito. Ang Mammoth Hot Spring ay hindi Mammoth. Mammoth Hot Spring Station Rock and Roll hanggang dito na lang next time. Rocks!